Welcome to Blizzard Fire. We hope this video helps fire up your solution.
In this video, I will explain how to make perfect tiramisu. Achieving this classic Italian dessert requires attention to detail and the finest ingredients. We will use fresh eggs, rich mascarpone cheese, and strong espresso. The key is balancing the creamy texture with the coffee-soaked Ladyfingers. Follow these steps precisely for a truly unforgettable dessert that will impress everyone. Let's begin our culinary journey to the perfect tiramisu. Next, we prepare the heart of our tiramisu, the espresso and the creamy mascarpone mixture. Brew about 250 milliliters of strong espresso and allow it to cool fully. For the cream, separate 3 to 4 egg yolks and whisk them with 100 grams of sugar until they are pale and fluffy. Then, gently fold in 500 grams of mascarpone cheese, being careful not to overmix, which can make the cream too thin. Now comes the exciting part, assembling our tiramisu. Quickly dip each Ladyfinger into the cooled espresso for just a few seconds. You do not want them soggy. Arrange a single, even layer of these coffee-soaked Ladyfingers in your chosen serving dish. Then, spread half of your luscious mascarpone cream evenly over this layer. Repeat these steps, creating a second layer, and finish with a generous, smooth layer of cream on top. The final, crucial step is patience. Refrigerate your tiramisu for a minimum of 4 to 6 hours, or ideally, overnight. This chilling period is essential. It allows all the incredible flavors to meld and the dessert to set perfectly, ensuring a firm yet creamy texture. Just before serving, generously dust the top with unsweetened cocoa powder. Slice and serve this delightful, chilled treat to enjoy the fruits of your labor.
Thanks for watching. If you found this helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe.